Savvy guy. We're going to do a prime rib and a big one. And not huge. Bone in. 3 bones. First off, Merry Christmas, everybody. 2022. It's a little late in the evening. It's 11 degrees outside. I'm going to do this prime rib. And I'm going to try to stick to Kosmos Q timing and weight. Of course, this one's bone in. The one he did was bone out. So I'm going to slather it up in butter. Hit it with some Savvy Guy rub. Of course, if you're doing prime rib, you got to hit it heavy with the coarse salt. It's delicious. This has got rosemary and thyme in it. Tarragon. Got a little tequila. Perfect. And this one here we got from ShopRite. I mean, Sam's Club was on the radar, but we didn't get out that way. So this one's a beauty. I think this came in at about 8 pounds, 7.5 pounds. So yeah, I'm going to start slathering this up with the butter. So this is going to be our binder. Hopefully she sticks nice. I tried to pat this thing dry, and it's already, because of an older recipe that I used to use, where you do the 5 minutes per pound at 500 degrees in your oven. It's a good technique, and you shut it off. After that, let's say it's a 7-pounder, so 35 minutes at 500. Then you shut the power off. Don't touch the door on the oven for 2 whole hours, and you pull it out, and it's basically restaurant quality prime rib. That was then. Now I got the Pit Boss pellet smoker, and we're going to take advantage of that great flavor. And you kind of just set it on there and forget it. So I'm going to let the temperature dictate when it's getting pulled. Cosmo was talking 40 minutes, and I've seen some today on Google that are saying, you know, almost like a turkey, 35 minutes a pound, blah, 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 whatever. I'm going to let the temperature dictate when I pull this thing off. But look at that. This is beauteous. This is the new Savvy Guy butcher block table that I asked if I could take it from work, and the plant manager was like, knock yourself out, get it out of here. So this is the first time we're using this too. So I'm going to slather, cover, and get it on the smoker. I think I'm going to start at 275 again, using my buddy Kosmos Q's numbers. And if it's 40 minutes, that's going to be a game changer. Just, you can't. Any time saving is fantastic when you're cooking a big beast like this. So that looks good enough to cover to me. This is a bone in. That might cause a little trouble with the timing, but I don't care. I got all night. I got tomorrow off. And this is just my usual brisket rub here. It's got all the goodies in it. Gonna hopefully get this on the market soon as well, so look for that. Check out all our other Savvy Guy videos. Got a great one there for meatballs. We got the one on there for the arugula and beet salad. Leave your comments, tell your friends, and the big thing is share them, because you know, I looked down there and I've got 200 views and 70 of them were me. It's not really the purpose of YouTube. I'm trying to get more eyes on Savvy Guy recipes and products, like our marinara here. Hopefully, going to be in stores near you soon. Right now, locally, it's just in 3 stores, but you got to start somewhere. Just a little bit more on this, and then I'll haul it upstairs. Get this side covered, and of course, every time I flip it, some's falling off. But oh well. The flavor is not going to be a problem here. Get all those nooks. And I'm leaving the string on from the butcher as well. And I'll hold it together. Alright. I'll get some shots. I'm going to put some coarse salt on this. And we'll get some shots out from the actual smoker. Maybe about halfway through. See if she's, the temp's going up. And the other key is start at room temperature with this beast. Because, there we go. I'm going to get this all messy. Should have one good hand left. Anyway, you get the idea. Alright guys, we'll see you out at the smoker. Okay, the prime rib's only been on for 23 minutes, for crying out loud. And as you can see, the probe is telling me 61. So we got a ways to go. Beautiful, right? So I'm going to close this quick, like. We'll get back to you soon. Daylight is almost over. Thank God the days are getting longer. Amen, amen. There's a crescent moon way out there. Looks awesome. It's freezing out here. But this is doing pretty good. It's up to 90. Look at this beauty. She's rested about 15-20 minutes. Gorgeous. I'm going in bare hands. Screw it. Let's set her down like that. Save that jus. Wipe my hands off of the sack. Let's carve this puppy. I'm left-handed, which doesn't help. Let's do it. Right about here. One serving. Come on, baby. Cooked her at 300 on the pellet smoker. Oh yeah, come on. She's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Can you see that? That is spectacular. We'll do some close-ups, but that is priceless. Stop short of the bone this time. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. It's like a Fred Flintstone Brontosaurus ribeye. I think the girls care if they get a bone or not. Beautiful. Oh my word. Look at that color. Perfect. That's now. Let's go a little thinner. Thinner's the winner. Oh yeah. Gorgeous. 300 degrees. It took a while because it's freezing outside, and I think that makes a difference on the smokers because you check the temp on it, and all that heat just disappears as soon as you open the lid. So this is going to be fantastic. Looks like a mess, but all I need is 3 nice pieces off of this. Get rid of the bone, get rid of the string. Look at that. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. We'll do a close-up for you. Yeah, there you go. Great color. Fantastic. Merry Christmas, everybody. Let's eat this bad boy. Now, the most important part is to actually try tasting the darn thing. I always forget to do that when the camera's rolling. I get all flustered when I see something like this, but I'm just going to cut off this end here. Beautiful. Perfect medium rare. Mesquite smoke on the pellet grill. Wow. I'm taking this upstairs for a nice little red. We got broccoli to go with. This is a game changer with that smoker. I mean, changes everything. Beautiful. Have a great one.